Good Saturday morning, everybody. 2020. Holy crap, it's 2020. We're gonna start the tractor first of all. We gotta drop a tub of Crystal X supplement for the cows. So last year I had a to-do list. That went out the window real quick with, you know, life. But we got a few things that I want to accomplish yet this year, early this year. We're going to start off with a small list. We ain't going to make no big list here. You can see right here, we got posts in for Katie's greenhouse. So we want to get that completed. That's probably a weekend's project. Get that thing buttoned up. Obviously before she needs it. We come up over the hill here. Look through there. We got to get that cattle shed completed. But I need to get a lot of this equipment moved around down here shortly. A bunch of this stuff out of the way so it's easier to get down there and move the snow. In reality, I need to get it done before the snow is gone. So we're gonna have to start moving some of that stuff around. I need to get rid of this old shed, clean it out, get rid of all that stuff. These are kind of my building projects for the summer. I'm gonna try not to get crazy like I did last year. If I get that stuff done, we'll obviously go up and start working on that lean-to again where the posts are in on the side of the shop or the pole barn there. Try to get that done. Really, those are my springtime, early summer, what have you, projects. Most of the materials are here for all that stuff. It's just time is never on my side. Take a quick look in the shop here, give you kind of a quick update, a quick rundown. What, do you want to go in there too? Is it nice in there? Okay. Take a quick look here. We have the insulation in the walls is done, except for that cavity right there because I need to run some wiring through it. Started putting up vapor barrier last night, ran out of staples, so all going well. That will be my plan tonight, is to finish vapor barrier and start putting some sheeting on the walls. I don't have enough sheeting here, so I'll have to take a trip to the cabin at some point. Hopefully you guys will come along for that ride. Once I get this thing closed in, I got a few projects that I got to get done that I need the heated shop for. But I think next weekend, my goal is next weekend we're going to paint the inside. Katie talked me into painting the inside of this place, so we got paint for the walls, and we'll do that as well. Let's head down here and see if we can't make a hole in the fence line. This should be hard packed right here. Maybe we'll get stuck. That'd be interesting. The old fence line runs right here, and then it cut back that way and went up on the hill, and then it went back that way again. So what I did is I brought a new fence line across, straight across here. The snow raised heck with it up there. It drifted in, pulled the fence down. It's all gonna have to be restretched anyway. This right here is a perfect opening for me to run the skidder through. If I cut that fence, pull that fence post out, I can come right through here. If I take this fence post, I'm not too worried about that one or that one, but if I get this one and that one, we'll have a nice skid lane to come through, and we can get after this whole grove of trees in here, along with all the rest of this stuff right here. Look at this, it's January. I never thought. Look at pure mud. Yeah, undo some fence clips here. Put these in my pocket so they don't end up in a tire. They suck to dig back out of your pocket, but they're even worse to dig out of the tire. This side of the post. This side of the post. There we go. All right, fence is tied back. We got a nice, what, 20-30 foot wide path through here. We can go straight up there. We're gonna do our pull over to the side, do our limbing over there where those tops are and everything. Try to keep most of that stuff in the same spot. One hand, and that thing was all the way in, all the way into the spade. That's crazy. Crazy. I thought for sure I was going to have to use the tractor to pull those out. Thought there'd be at least a little crust on the ground that the spade wouldn't want to come through. Never thought I could just pull them out with one hand like that. Summertime, you can't pull them out with one hand like that. It's absolute soup underneath this. So if I break through, gonna get messy really fast, but we'll see what happens. There might be enough snow that I can get a good snowpack on there and it'll hold me up, and we'll be just fine. We'll see.